Hello and good evening, viewers, and welcome to the news. First, let us take a look at the headlines. Union Home Minister Amit Shah announces 5 new districts in Ladakh to enhance local governance and bring development closer to residents. Meghalaya government approves the construction of a new bridge over Wat Kalyar to connect Umpling with MES Nongrim Hills. Residents of Umroi Madan clarifies their stance on road alignments, says not against development but against potential damage to their sole drinking water source. Regional Cancer Center at Negrims in Shillong commences operation with state-of-the-art equipment and trained staff. The news in detail. Union Home Minister Amit Shah today announced the creation of 5 new districts in Ladakh. In a post on X, Shah stated that Zansar, Dras, Sham, Nubra and Changthang will be newly formed to enhance local governance and bring development closer to residents, aligning with Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision for a prosperous Ladakh. The state government has greenlit the construction of a new bridge over Wat Kalyar to connect Umpling with MES Nongrim Hills. The Public Works Department will manage the project with a final survey by PWD and World Bank consultants pending. The bridge aims to ease traffic and provide a direct route to Laimkra avoiding Rinja Market. KHADC CEM Panyat Singh Saem noted that this is the first project under the rupees 2,000 crore World Bank loan and mentioned a cost reassessment from the initial rupees 70 crore estimate.
Kani kajing ya kendo kani kasta kalau hal kawai kapang mengenai small data snow kawai day kani kajing kian kawai snow umpling kala anglo aslam kaban kini so ya ka madan rumnong Nongrim Hills marka umpling kau isu tu kajing ya nanti kalau kabla kapslam berkibul kajing apa yang kajing ya nanti kajing ya tuku kibam lapan dan ulung ya kani kajing anglo jumpi kuki nok shop snow dehenre klem shop pipe ni lah ya ibu din Hoi, hai buat berlikot kumu MLA, ayo budin la angnot bah tu bapor rupa nginyo sanction naka World Bank.
Residents of Umroi Madan have countered allegations by village leaders regarding the 4-lane road project from Umyam to Malidor. CL Mashering and T Marbanyang clarified that their concerns are not against development but against potential damage to their sole drinking water source. They criticized the headman and executive members for failing to consult villagers before submitting a petition to the Ribhoi Deputy Commissioner. The residents demand adjustments to the road alignment to avoid affecting their water source or they will escalate their protests.
Yang profesional dan bagi konteks komedi akan syai halor dan tertulis jor dan panjang profesional hakabai day but kesurok Berlin hakaba kan kata yang ketelum kaba kesnong umroy madang kaba ampadi kaba nakaliang kejongi wa bangku ya kejungkeli kelomba habaki ong ba day mangi kinong snong sibayalam bakla yo pat ba regibut banbu pat ya kejungkeli kaba ong ba manu bayalam bakla yo pat ba haba nadu ka arfulai tarik unai November arja Arfulai ilalit ujor Syah Deputy Commissioner hakabai day pan penting ria ya katai ka alignment Berlin kaban ya nakatulong untuk
The Regional Cancer Center at Negrims in Shillong has commenced operations offering advanced cancer treatment. Dr. Nalin Mehta, director of Negrims, announced that the first floor of the 252-bedded facility is operational with state-of-the-art equipment and trained staff. The full center will soon provide comprehensive care for cancer patients in Meghalaya.
Cancer Center, which is a 252-bedded facility. The lower floors are already fully functional. For example, state-of-art radiotherapy equipment we have, the LINAC linear accelerator, and we are functioning optimally and well from that facility. We also have equipment in place. Some of them are being tested before they are operationalized, and OTs have also been completed, so they have to be handed over. A few technical details are being sorted out. We are also in the process of recruitment of faculty members, technicians, and attendants, nurses, etc. So we are operationalizing it in a phase-wise manner until such time that the entire cancer care moves to the regional cancer center, which is of course within our own campus. The main hospital is catering very, very optimally and comprehensively to the management of cancer cases.
In Umran Dairy Village, Rebhoi district, 4 robbers raided the Indian Oil Petrol pump early Sunday morning, stealing over 4 lakh rupees. The robbers overpowered the staff, injuring the manager, and fled with cash from the pump's locker. The Rebhoi district police are investigating the heist and have filed an FIR. Chief Advisor Hamletson Dotling inaugurated a fishing pond tourism spot at Milame, Nongbet, funded by the Rural Infrastructure Development Fund. Located on Chichalan's Sotlang's land, the site aims to boost tourism. Dotling released fish fingerlings, boats and life jackets during the opening. Visitors can access the spot by turning left after Milame and following the road to Maungap. After a decade-long ban on rat hole coal mining, the government will hold a public hearing on August 27 at Ladakh, West Khasi Hills to discuss resuming operations with scientific methods. Mayantes Maulot, president of the Hima Nongstoin Land Owners, Coal Traders and Producers Association, urged local support for the hearing. The association has rallied local groups to back the initiative, aiming to address the economic struggles faced by coal traders and laborers. They encourage widespread participation to overcome the challenges and revitalize the industry.
Nadukung yosno managayang sorkar kalakor aplikasyon yakinong penbiang slab and apply mining halo duyong tinggi yosno bidon kiramba jong ibala and apply bala penbiang ikut slab at komjing panjang government ngai kubleru gini urang ba jong ibala penbiang yakicindon kam jong government agini kisni tayong yosno bukan sadon kehirin publik haring pohos dadkar jenaliang jong Negosiation ni awelang ya pikpai ba jong West Kesel ba jong Meghalaya lo baro kowe bang ide ban kasyan ya gani margani kedi kecindon kam jong pikpai ba jong West Kesel ba jong Meghalaya baro kowe.
Freelance journalist Snehankar Chakraborty, along with Santanu Moram and Rambabu Thakur, began a cycling journey from Guwahati to Sotra on August 22nd. The expedition aims to raise awareness about journalist security and climate change. Chakraborty highlighted the need for social security measures for journalists and urged action against environmental crisis during a press interaction at the Shillong Press Club.
We started our cycling from Guwahati to Cherrapunji on 22nd of August. Our motto is to create awareness on social security of journalists. Actually, what happened in 2020, the recorded number of killed journalists all over the world is more than 3,000. It is the official number, and out of those 3,000, 99% journalists have not got their proper, justified, any sort of justice. Doing cycling expeditions, I got some friends and we collaborated, having another motto, that is climate silence.
The festival of Janmashtami is being celebrated with great enthusiasm and reverence across the country today. Around the world, devotees are gathering in huge numbers for the darshan of Lord Krishna in temples. On the occasion, President Draupadi Murmu has extended her greetings on Janmashtami to all countrymen. In a social media post, the President urged everyone to embrace the teachings of Lord Krishna and commit to working together towards the progress and prosperity of the country. And now the weather report. The maximum temperature was recorded at 25.5 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature at 16.5 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 91%, while in the evening was 75%. Forecast states moderate rainfall and thunder shower is very likely to occur at many places. And now, before you wind up, a quick look at the headlines once again. Union Home Minister Amit Shah announces 5 new districts in Ladakh to enhance local governance and bring development closer to residents. Meghalaya government approves the construction of a new bridge over Wat Kalir to connect Umpling with MES Nongrim Hills. Residents of Umroi Madan clarifies their stance on road alignment, says not against development but against potential damage to their sole drinking water source. And Regional Cancer Center at Nigrims in Shillong commences operation with state-of-the-art equipment and trained staff. Well, viewers, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Thank you for watching and good night.